when Mary goes to Jesus, what Jesus instantly, what he does, he's not doing some dramatic move with some magical things or verses from the Bible trying to convert and bring them wine. He could have done that. But he makes the disciples and those who were there to work. It takes time. By the time they will fill the empty jars, it will take time. This is what will happen. Always remember this line. Best wine takes time. I want you to remember this. Best wine takes time. Ordinary wine, cheap wine, doesn't require time. You don't have to drink wine to know best one takes time. It's science. Best wine will be, grapes will be matured, made to mature, ripen on the vine branches. Then the finest grapes would be pulled up, fermented, and then they will be aged for many, many years in barrels and bottles. So this delay, time delay, is not a delay. Time is not delaying the wine. Time is developing the wine. Waiting is not punishment here. Waiting is preparation here. So always remember, best wine takes time. Cheap wine, no time. I also realize in my life, I sometimes think I should have got this earlier. I should have been this earlier. I should have been this, that. I realize now, best wine takes time. Leave it to the Lord. Leave it to the Lord. You want it now because we are in a quick world. Instagram, Instamart, instant things we want, instant happiness we want. But my dear friends, best wine takes time. Nelson Mandela was jailed, imprisoned for not for 1 or 2 years, almost 27 to 29 years, solitary imprisonment. But when he came out, look at him, he did not become bitter, he became better. This is what I'm trying to say. Monica prayed for Augustine, not for 1 or 2 years, 17 long years, and you see the product. Augustine became the tallest figure in the church. Abraham waited for son Isaac. Joseph spent time in the prison when he got a chance to rule Egypt. David was anointed, but he did not become king instantly. He had to wait, and Jesus waited for 30 long years. He served only for 3 years, and you see, for last 2025 years, he is still relevant and present. Best wine takes time. Let us close our eyes. Do not get discouraged in life, but tell yourself, God is making this best wine. Let him take time. Let him take time. Best wine takes time. Amen.